Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be working on this car. This is actually their first maintenance wash after getting the ceramic coating done. But in this video, what I'm going to show you is after you wash your car, whether it's coated or not, don't start with a towel, especially on these colder days where it's, I'm working in the shade, it's cold, it's wintertime. This thing's going to take forever to dry and go through a few of these towels. And it's ultimately not as safe for the surface as you think it would be. And so what I'm trying to do is limit my contact with the surface of the paint, or the surface of the car rather. So what I want to do is use something like this. So this is the Flex, I don't know if it's the BW 18.0 EC, but it's their electric current motor or their blower. Electric blower comes with the Flex batteries that work for their buffer as well, and charger and all that. This one isn't that great, but the purpose of this video isn't to talk about the Flex. It's mainly to talk about using a blower or some sort of forced air to get the bulk of the water off the car. And this is serving multiple purposes. So the main purpose is that you're lessening the amount of times that you're actually going to be touching the paintwork, but also on colder days like this, or if you work in climates that are colder, the nooks and crannies are just going to drip and drip and drip and drip and drip forever. So not only are you going to saturate a few of these towels, then if you have multiple cars a day, then you're dealing with wet towels if you don't have a dryer. But you also want to let your machines do the heavy lifting. So I'm going to go around this whole entire car, blow out all the cracks and crevices. The water is beating up beautifully, so the water is going to fly off the panel. And I'm going to let the blower, now whether it's this blower, a leaf blower, an air compressor, it really doesn't matter, whatever your preference is on that. But the point is that we're going to blow out all the nooks and crannies, so it's not going to drip later for the customer when they drive home. That's what every customer complains about with a car wash. So I drive home and it drips all the way down the side of my car, so we're not going to have to worry about that. But we're also going to touch the paint a lot less, and we're not going to have to work as hard. We're just going to let the blower do the majority of the work. So that's what I'm going to do, go around the whole entire car with it, and it's a much, much safer first step to do instead of going directly to the drying towel. Now, this is one of my favorite drying towels, the Dreadnought. It holds a ton of water, and I'll make sure to link both of these things up below. But really the purpose of this video is to let you know, don't go straight to towel dry. Go with the blower, save yourself some energy, save yourself some time, protect your car paint, and you'll be much more satisfied with the end result. Then you can go through, kind of dry the extra areas that you need to dry, and then hit it with your quick detail spray, your waterless wash, whatever your last step protection is, and then boom, you're good to go. Much safer wash process, much safer for the car's paint, a lot less work for you, and your customers are going to be a lot more satisfied if you're doing that. So there you go.